everyone, here we are. Karen Wolf here in my at-home art studio. Just had just a thought I just wanted to just pass on to you guys. I was doing some brush cleaning. I had a couple of brushes. I don't know if you ever do this, but from time to time I will have brushes that the paint just dries in the ferrule, down in the bristles, not in the ferrule, but in the bristles, and just dries hard, just hard as a rock. And I had a couple I was going to show you, and I have this brush cleaner, bristle cleaner. It's called Bristle Magic brush cleaner, and I get this through Amazon. Once again, the container's really sticky. I've had this for a very long time because it doesn't take very much to clean your brushes. What I do is I pour a bit of it out in a gosh, that's so sticky on that bottle. I pour it out into a mason jar, and then I keep a lid on it, and I keep it in there until it gets real nasty, and then I throw it away. It's biodegradable and non-toxic, and there's no fumes. So those are all three great things for me because I have asthma. But I just wanted to show you, this is so funny. I took pictures, before and after pictures of my bristles, but whenever I was getting the brush out to get ready to clean it, it actually poked a hole in, like it poked my finger like a little pinprick because the bristles were so hard. So let me just show you. I'm going to turn this around and show you. Are you still there? I hit the wrong button. I'm going to turn this around. Sorry. Oh, the live stuff here. Okay, I'm going to turn this around, and I'm going to show you here. I've had set up the before and after pictures of this. See if y'all can see that. There's the before. Sorry, there's a glare on it there. There's before, and those are actually, if I could touch that now, just as hard as a rock. Just as hard as a rock. And then there is after I've had it in there for a couple of days, I think, soaking. And you can see it's softened it. It softened it. So here I'm going to show you today what I have set up here. I'm going to show you that that paint will just clean right off of there. I've got this, my soap, my Fels Naphtha soap, and I'm just going to take the brush out of the cleaner here. Just taking that out of the cleaner, and I'm just going to wipe it on the paper towel. See that, how that's coming out of there and how that's really soft? You can see how it's just really, really, really soft, and it's taken that hard paint that had dried in there. It's just taking that off of the brush. So now I'm just rinsing in the water and just going into the soap. This Fels Naphtha soap that I tell you guys about. I'm just going to fold my paper towel, and I'm just going to show you. See how that, I mean, that has just amazing cleaned that out of that. Oop, stuck back in the wrong thing. Just amazing how that cleans those brushes. It's just awesome. So I'm just taking that brush and just really just scrubbing it down inside of the paint, rinsing it in the water. And this, again, like I said, it's the Bristle Magic brush cleaner. And I get that, gosh, I've had that. I just ordered it again, actually. I've had that for a very long time because it doesn't take very much. But I get it from Amazon. And that brush, like I said, was just as hard as a rock. Just as hard as it could be. And there's, like I said, the before, hard, and then the after it's soaked for a couple days, and here it is after I cleaned it. So it is just amazing stuff. It really is. And here's another one. It was just as hard as it could be in there. And so once your brushes, once you get paint that's dried in your brushes and you think it's time to throw them away, it's not. All you need to do is stick them in that brush cleaner for a couple days, and there you go. Of course, this brush is a little worn out, and I don't throw my brushes away either after they're even frazzled like that, because you can use brushes that are worn for different things. Grass, you could use them for grass, I don't know, different techniques of wood, or you know, different things you can use them for. You don't just have to use them for the intended purpose, you know, when you first got them. So there you go. That's a cool idea. Just wanted to it's actually not an idea. It's a good way to clean your brushes. So if you guys need to get that old hard paint, and it says it's for artist brushes for oil and acrylic cleaner, and it's a reconditioner for your brushes, biodegradable, non-toxic, no fumes, and it's Bristle Magic. I get mine from Amazon, but they also have a website on here. It says bristlemagik.com if you want to order it directly from them. So pretty cool stuff. Just a little information I wanted to toss out there to you. I just happened to have been thinking about that today. So as I was cleaning my brushes, so that's a little tidbit of information that I like to throw your way. So and don't forget, everybody, I've got my online classes starting 1st of June. Last to sign up is fast approaching, May 31st. So get signed up for that. You just click on the link and request to join. Once I receive your payment, the instructions, I'll send you the instructions to pay. You just pay PayPal or write a check, send that money. I could invoice you through PayPal, and then once you pay, you're in, and you get to watch those videos. There's 2 groups. One, the basic group, you get to watch 2 videos the whole month of June, and the other group, you get 3 videos the month of June, and watch them anytime you want throughout the month. And once the end of the month gets here, then I'll have new videos to roll out, and you can have the option to join those if you'd like. So if you have any questions, let me know. You guys have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your Memorial Day. It's beautiful outside. It's a little warm, but hey, I'll take that versus rain any day. So good to see you guys. Take care, and I'll see you later. And thank you, Pam and Leanne, for joining. Bye-bye.